What's up guys, today's video is on the best welding sleeves. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Mokeydou Arm Protection Sleeves. The next set of welding sleeves we have on our list is the Mokeydou Kevlar Arm Protection Sleeves that abandoned the more traditional cotton or leather in favor of using Kevlar as their principal fabric, providing the best protection features not only against welding-related dangers, but also other hazards too. The sleeves have seamless weaves that contain glass fibers that have been tested to offer even greater protection against punctures and cuts throughout the long length of your arms. Regarding arm length, the sleeves are 18 inches in length, meaning your entire arm will be protected. The snug fit and a bit of elastic material make them suitable for both women and men. For securing the sleeves, they remain in shape due to the elasticity of the fabric and due to the slots for thumbs, which prevent the sleeves to be rolled up. Number 2. CAWANFLY Kevlar Gloves with Sleeves. Following the trend of welding with Kevlar sleeves, these are those CAWANFLY protective Kevlar sleeves and gloves, an exciting combination of protective gear that will protect your fingers and your arms. Although Kevlar knitwear is often described as being beneficial against lacerations, cuts, and piercings, it gives a decent amount of heat insulation, which makes it the ideal material for welding too. The Kevlar material is knit using special elastic fibers, and the double-layer construction ensures the perfect fit, no matter what the arm's shape or size, and ensures that the sleeves do not slide down or up, which means you're secure, no matter what situation you're in. Additionally, these sleeves offer perfect skin compression, which means your arms remain cool, keep your skin from irritation, and let you breathe. Number 3. Leather Welding Work Sleeves. So far, we've discussed welding sleeves that are focused on mobility, but our fourth post is an assortment of welding sleeves that concentrate on protection for heavy-duty use over anything other factors. The Quilink Leather Welding Sleeves for Work Sleeves. Made of 90% split cowhide heavy-duty leather, these welding sleeves shield your arms from welding splatter and even the most extreme temperatures while wearing them. The sleeves are created with a double-layer structure. The outer layer is made from leather, while the inner liner is made from cotton to offer additional airflow and comfort. Both layers are stitched together by top-of-the-line temperature-resistant Kevlar stitching. Number 4. IronCat Leather Welding Cape Sleeve. This entry is distinct from the others in design and style to other entries, as they are caps with sleeves. The style of IronCat Westchester Leather Welding Cape lets them not just protect all of your arms, but also protect the upper area of your torso and neck from splatters, sparks, and heat too. The principal fabric used is tough cowhide leather, making them perfect for intense welding tasks, and the most critical areas are reinforced with additional leather padding, and top-quality Kevlar is used for stitching. The product's unique design permits the use of pockets made from soapstone on each sleeve, as the extra weight will not cause them to slide off. Number 5. Miller Combo Sleeves. The Miller Combo Sleeves. They are made of high-quality welding sleeves constructed from two distinct materials. Endure a high-quality pigskin and flame-resistant cotton for the most important locations where spatters and sparks are likely to occur. The use of two different materials is to ensure that the welding sleeves offer the most beneficial of both the cool, comfortable feel and soft protection of cotton and the robust and improved fire and heat resistance of leather. Both the top and lower part of the sleeves are fitted with elastic bandages that are snug enough that the sleeves do not move up or down when you require the most, but loose enough not to restrict blood flow when you have larger arms. When it comes to arms, those sleeves measure 21 inches long, which allows nearly full coverage of your arms to protect them from temperatures that can go as high as 400 degrees Fahrenheit. However, because they're not made entirely out of leather, they're advised to be used for moderate to light high-intensity welding applications. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.